In our busy world, one of the most healing, centering, and uplifting experiences is to walk in nature and to feel its ancient, calming energy. As an invitation to spend more time in nature, we've designed a beautiful, sumptuous knit shawl pattern for you, Sainte Terrer by Amy Mercier. This gorgeous design was inspired by nature, and it is a beautiful reminder to try to find time each day to be in nature, to walk amongst the trees, to listen to the leaves and feel the wind on your face and the sun on your skin, and to know just for that brief moment that all is well. To capture that soothing feeling, the body of this shawl features this beautiful vertical lace panel, and it resembles the wind as it blows through the grasses. It is such a soothing, calming feeling to be in a field full of grass and it's just swaying and dancing in the wind. This design also features these gorgeous leaves cascading down the sides, and they're each surrounded by lace, so it really helps each leaf design to pop out. And to help these gorgeous lace stitches really open up, you'll want to block your shawl, and we do recommend wet blocking this one, and we do have a tutorial on how to do that if you're interested. This shawl also features a gorgeous seed stitch border, which you know I love seed stitch so much because it really looks like a field scattered with seeds. I love this stitch because it requires just enough concentration to hold your focus, so it really is such a soothing, calming stitch. No matter what's happening out in the world, it really helps to bring a sense of presence right here, right now. And I'm so excited to show you two different versions today. We have a fingering weight version and a sport weight version. I'll start with this luscious solid red version. The colorway is called Love Answers All, and it's in our All Good Things fingering yarn. This color is so amazing for fall and winter and really just brings a luscious pop of color into your day. Red can be so invigorating and so life-giving, and this yarn base is super soft and shimmery and it just flows so nicely. And for this two-color version, we used our buttery sport yarn. We opted for Grandfather's Library for the solid green, and then for the speckly leaf section, we used our color Optimist. This yarn has more of a boing and a bounce to it and is just a little bit thicker than the fingering weight that we used in the red version. And I would like to mention, if you are making this two-color version, you will need to know a wee bit of intarsia technique so that you avoid gaps when you're changing colors in your rows, and the details for that are in the pattern for you. You can download this beautiful pattern and get the yarn at expressionfiberarts.com, and while you're there, be sure to sign up for email and text updates for weekly free knit and crochet patterns. And I'm going to be doing two giveaways today, one for the red version and one for the green version. If you would like to enter, just make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and comment below letting me know something that you love about nature. In the lacy portion of this shawl, you're going to find some beautiful, unique stitches. So I thought I would show you how easy it is to work those today so that you will be all set to make this shawl. We'll start with the SKPOPW. You're going to begin by slipping one stitch purlwise, which just means your needle points are together. Slip that next stitch onto your right needle. Then you'll knit the next stitch and then pass that slipped stitch up and off your right needle. And it's as easy as that. Next is the SKPOKW. So we're slipping knitwise this time. So slip the next stitch knitwise, which just means from this direction. Slip that onto your right needle. Knit one. And then same thing, you're going to pass that slipped stitch up and off your right needle. And we have the SK2P. We'll start by slipping one stitch knitwise, which is this direction. Then we're going to knit two together. So just knit those next two stitches together. And then we're going to pass that slipped stitch up and off. And there you go. So there you go. Those are some of the beautiful stitches that you're going to find in this pattern. If you can work those, you can make the rest of the shawl. I'm wishing you an enjoyable, lovely time making this beautiful piece, and I hope you have an amazing week, and I will see you next week with another new design. Bye!